What is up, guys? This is going to be a really quick one. I'm kinda in a hurry, but I had this comment in my last video, which was the Mockingbird bass. Check out the video in the YouTube channel. There was this guy asking me to recreate the lead in the track. So I thought, why not? It's really simple lead. So let's make it quickly. If you want to support the channel and help me create these videos for you guys, check out the links in the description. I have 2 priest packs for Vital, and those are really game changer. I use those packs in all my current tracks and they have received really good feedback so far. No complaints at all, and people have been loving them. But that's also a great way to support the channel and help me to create more of these videos. Anyways, guys, let's begin with the tutorial. This is really easy sound. I'm not going to even use a reference track for this one. We're going to just pick a sawtooth like this, and that's it. No, I'm just joking. We have to actually do a little bit more. I'm going to transpose these 1 octave, and that's it. No, I'm still kidding, guys. We need to add a little bit white noise. Now I'm going to add a bit more attack by using envelope 2. That's pretty good. Now I'm going to ring modulate from the sample. And let's pull down the volume just a little bit on the white noise. I'm going to lower this down an octave. Now we have this saw wave with a little bit white noise. Let's lower down the voices. I'm going to click always glide and add a little bit glide like so. Then let's move to the effects. This is really simple. We are just going to use a couple of effects. I'm going to use distortion. This is going to increase the volume by distorting the sound, but it will also add soft distortion, which will merge the white noise and the saw wave. Then I'm going to use compressor and reverb, and we are going to merge these two by having this really slight delay, like so. And let's increase the size. Pull this down. And that's pretty much the sound, guys. So one last thing you can add, depending on your melody, you can use the envelope 1 to make it a little bit more plucky. This depends greatly on your track. You could maybe use sidechain for the similar effects, but the original one is pretty short, plucky melody. And that's it. Now, guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like and comment down below what you would like me to show you guys next time. And check out the links in the description for the priest packs. Much love. I catch you guys in the next one. Peace.